Hi, Happy New Year. Hope you guys all are doing well. I didn't really want to make this video, but it's just what's been on my mind for the past few days. And basically it's a recap of 2021. And I know that because of the circumstances, because of the pandemic, and because of what last year brought for a lot of people, it can very well be seen as a year that was a down year or a lost year. But as I kept thinking about 2021, I couldn't help but come to the realization that it's been my best year yet. So that sounds a little confusing, but let me explain. Also, Lois keeps making fun of me because I keep moving my hands in my videos, but honestly, I can't stop. And I tried putting my hands like on my jacket or like holding my hands down here, and they still somehow just come up. So I'm just gonna go with it. If you're a hand mover like myself when you're talking, comment below, because you just can't help it. On the personal side, I really feel like I've just grown a lot as a husband, as a father, in my faith, and just in my confidence as a creative. And there's also been some personal changes in our family life, like Sophie, our eldest daughter, going to school now. She's in kindergarten. Never would have imagined the day that she'd be in school, but it finally happened last fall. And just seeing the growth of our church over the past year as well has been so encouraging and exciting. And then also just being able to make new friends and being able to grow deeper in relationships that already existed. And then I've also fallen deeply in love. That sounds wrong, but I've just become enamored with film photography, and the wallet shows for it. Yeah. Film photography is expensive. Film photography for me, I really feel like in the past year has unlocked or revitalized my excitement, that newness of photography for me again. And although it's a medium I'm familiar with as far as photography, it's such a different medium shooting film versus digital, in that I've been able to discover a lot of myself as an artist and as a creative. It's just been a joy to shoot a lot of film with my closest friends the past year and document the majority of my life on film. Now on the work side, there's been some changes that have been pretty impactful and awesome as well. One being that our studio moved to a bigger and better space in the same building, but that's really allowed for a lot of growth and opportunities, both for all of us individually and then us as a collective group. I also started doing a lot more commercial work outside of wedding photography, whether it was photo or video, whether it was clients that my business took on, or just helping and assisting projects that my friends were working on. And then I was still able to travel to some really cool places last year for work, something that I didn't think was gonna happen with the pandemic, but it happened, and that was a lot of fun. And then there's YouTube, a platform that I desired to be on for years, and there's just so much fear and anxiety and insecurity around starting a channel, but I'm so glad that I did at the end of 2020. And looking back at last year, I'm so excited and thankful for all the videos and all the projects I was able to work on in 2021. So with that all being said, because this is a recap of 2021, I would love to show you some moments and photos of last year for me. I'll try to include some footage, and all the photos will be on film because that just feels fitting. I'm gonna roll that stuff now, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, what would you like to say?
I love you. Thank you.
Look right here, look right here.
Thank you for this video, and we have a good day. And when I do this, then can I do?
Good. Okay. Now you talk to the camera.
I love you, and okay. I love you.
I hope you enjoyed some of those moments of my 2021 year, and I hope that you also had some great moments and growth and progress last year as well. I really appreciate you all. I'm excited for this year and to bring you guys along for the ride. Hit that like and subscribe button if you're down for it, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.